Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Sabra Munir from UTM AHIPS. Today I'm going to present my this research paper, which is based on literature review for organization innovation performance through big data analytics and with moderating role of management accountant. There are my co-authors, Dr. Siti Zaliha, Muhammad Amir, and Mr. Farooq Jameel also. We all know that there is a rapid changes of technology everywhere. Organizations are required to react to the technology trends as well as be proactive in their approach and carry out their internal and external competition. It is forecasted that global mobile data traffic is increasing from 11.51 exabytes to 77.49 by 2020. There is one more estimation that by 2050, these figures likely to be 95% of the world population as a whole, which is an alarming situation. There is one estimation that the amount of global digital healthcare data will explode from 500 petabytes to 25,000 petabytes by the end of 2020. These things are creating difficulties to the organizations. Exponential growth of structured and unstructured data is building pressure on the organizations overall. Companies, they have to be competitive with each other. For all these things, they have to be very innovative. Nowadays, the big data is different from the traditional data sets like in past Excel sheets and etc. in 5 ways. Number 1, volume. Number 2, velocity, variety, and value. Therefore, the term big data has frequently been used to describe data sets that are large and complex and cannot be analyzed with the traditional statistical models. The companies, they are capturing and analyzing data so as to be able to generate data insight by effective manners and the usage of the organization data for the better decision making, and they are using their technology as well as their skills under the big data analytics capabilities. Why the company needs to be innovative? Their survival is based on innovation, because innovation has become the core pillar of achievement of every organization in current business world. Innovation is an integral part of the organizational strategies. It means that they have to achieve the sustainable competitive advantage within the market. In all these process, there is one person involved who is downloading and capturing and printing all these data, and he is data scientist. Data scientist is the one who is putting all these information, the data and the reports on the table of the business executives and the business managers and owners. Do you think so that the owners and the managers, they have the sufficient knowledge and the skills to analyze all these reports? I think so. No, they can't. There is a need someone special who has the skills to analyze all these things. Here the role of management accountant will study under this in this paper, because in the new age is one of the bridge between the data scientist and the analyst and the business executives are management accountants. Why we are studying all these things? Definitely there are some problems. As I just told earlier that the global healthcare data is also exploding. So innovation in the pharmaceutical sector is under pressure. The prevalence of the big data and the use of the same can result in enhancement in innovation performances, which then leads to further improvement in economic developments. Actually, current situation of outlook of Pakistan gross domestic products GDP is in a danger zone, and its growth rate is expected to be 1 to 2% for the next fiscal year as compared to the past, which was 3 to 5%. Due to the increasing trend of the depreciation rupee, new contraction 4.9% by 2020 according to IMF, and obviously the impact of the pandemic, all these factors pushing down further GDP of the Pakistan. Pharmaceutical industry sector is the only sector in Pakistan which contributes approximately 1% of the GDP of Pakistan annually, according to PACRA 2020. To increase GDP and the foreign investments, attraction of the foreign investment in Pakistan pharmaceutical sector needs to improve innovation globally. Unfortunately, Pakistan is currently facing low annual global innovation index as per G2 2019 as compared to the other countries in the region. There is one more sad report in the market that according to Forrester Research Incorporation forecasted that there is a 72% of the jobs in management, finance and businesses may be lost by 2020. I recently conducted IMA polls and the ACCA survey reports. They have indicated that there is a 42% of management accountants fear job loss. So are they fearing the job loss due to this rapid change of technology? If it is so, then it means there is a need to know that their role of management accountant is also changing into the industry. So due to these problem statements, when I went for the literature review and intensive literature review, I found a few which I'm showing here on the screen. GAS. Number one, organization innovation performance. Yes, there are a relationship between BDA capabilities and the innovation performances in previous studies, but there is a very low current studies available empirically. Mostly big data analytics knowledge is coming through the individual case studies, consultancies and journals. There is a lack of insight theoretical basis. So innovation in relation with the BDA capabilities do not focus on the empirical evidence that can be obtained from the large scale analysis from different industrial sectors. For more generalizability in industry contextualization, there is a need to search on innovation and with respect to BDA capabilities, specifically in the pharmaceutical sector. We discussed that management accountants helps the top management to make effective decisions and contribute the improvement of the operations and related efficiency for the pharmaceutical sector to improve the innovation performance. What is need to be known? The strategic involvement of the management accountants in decision-making process usually requires an understanding that the new set of skills is required. Does management accountants will be a bridge between the data scientist and the business management? Due to the increasing volume, veracity and variety of the data resulting from the big data, there is a shift in the businesses is being conducted, resulting in increasing need to be changed the way the business analysis is being conducted. There is a need to investigate the moderating role of the management accountant. It will give the direction to the top level management for better decision making to achieve the organization innovation performance. After this literature review, I found some objectives and the research questions that to determine the impact of BDA capabilities on OIP, need to answer to what extent BDA capabilities affect OIP. And same goes to determine the extent to which the role of the management accountants moderates the influence of the BDA capabilities on IP. There is a need to answer the question, does the role of management accountant moderate the relationship between the BDA capabilities and OIP? On the basis of these objectives and the research questions, this is the basic conceptual framework which I am just presenting a few variables in this paper, that there is a relationship between the BDA capabilities and the OIP, and what is the moderating role of the this role of management accountant on this relationship. Yes, there is a scope of study. The study will investigate the impact of the BDA capabilities have on organization innovation performance. It will also include that the impact of the role of management accountant. The study will focus on the top management and amongst the pharmaceutical companies. CEOs, CFO, and CIOs will be approached who representing top management of the company will be contacted through a questionnaire-based survey to collect data. These relationships will be tested through a quantitative research design approach. How and what the importance of the study empirically? It will provide conceptual framework and as well as the empirical support by determining the relationship among the variables in Pakistan. But not only in Pakistan, the current study will be answered the call of for more research of BDA capabilities in contextualization of industry under developing countries in the world. Conceptual framework and empirical support in determining that management accountant will perform bridge between the data scientists and the business managers whole. This is the research methodology which I will use. It is a positivist research. Quantitative methods will be used. We have discussed that the 650 pharmaceutical companies will be are the data of this research. Some simple random sampling technique will be used. 242 pharmaceutical companies will be approached. Self-administered questionnaire we will send. In data analysis, we will go for a pilot testing, descriptive analysis, reliability and validity testing, and then obviously the structural equation modeling. And this is all about this literature review and the future agenda of my current paper. Thank you so much for listening. Take care. Allah Hafiz.